Okay guys, I'm gonna be starting this riding video. We're just gonna go around the city. Is it fully zoomed out? Alright, we're good. Alright, yo. Let's go. Huh? Yeah, I'm recording. Yeah. I'm gonna post it on a lot of Frick, I just hit the guy. Back for him. I don't know why I turned around. Shift down in the highest gear. Bro! No! What the heck? Oh, yo. Don't catch it to me again. You're so lucky. We were supposed to go that way and cut. I guess we'll go this way now. There ain't no way that just happened. Alright, let's go. Wait, let me check my camera. Let me take my helmet off. Oh, it wasn't even fully zoomed out. That hurt, bro. Now my elbow's burning, but we're good. Now we're turning this gears. Gotta keep up. My chain's off because you crashed into me. And my gear thing off. Maybe that's why it wasn't making noise. Shit. Alright, let's go. This is not fun. No, it's good. This is just the element. Cannot breathe. God dang, my elbow hurts. Alright, we gotta go fix this chain too. Keep it stable. Alright, we're good. Let's go. Now it's got the cart noise. Hope we don't crash again, but especially I'm so lucky because when I was pedaling, my chain caught off. Yeah, you probably should not be crashing into me. God dang, it smells good. God dang, can't breathe. Damn. Why it's corner? I can stand up. Sit back down. I gotta wait for this. God dang, what the frick? I've never seen it drain like this. Give me a second. Can't breathe. Tie my shoe too. Bro, I looked behind me and you were like a mile, not a mile, but you were like, I gassed you. Cannot see my freaking shoelaces. You know the route we're taking, right? Just follow my lead. I could go to the shop bed again. I need to go get my money. That is the right street. And I went into the freaking trail. They ain't gonna know. No hands. I think that's a good suspension. He tried to go ahead of me. I said, go ahead of me. We're going straight, yeah. That's off base. Should brought water. Helmet does not fit me. It's too big. Get my 2DO soon. Won't come until mid-January. I'll make a video on it so y'all know. Right now I'm stuck with this mountain bike. Comet tips to wheelie. I want to know, because I already tried. I don't want to stay in me. I'm not good at wheeling. We're trying, but turn down gears and try. That's way too low. I feel pop my chain. Nah. Turn my gears back. Isaiah, right? arrived at home. You don't look like you arrived at home. House is over there. I'm gonna get GoPro soon so this content will be better. Head's itchy, bro. Yo, you is freaking. He's dead, bro. I don't think they should see that. I hope they didn't see that. Bro, oh, there's another truck, bro. Oh, he's talking. Bro, he literally got trucked. See how fast I can go down this strip right here. Base gate. When we get back over there, I'm gonna stop at my house so we can get. So, oh yeah, you still owe me money. I said, oh yeah, you still owe me money. But I'm gonna stop at my house and get money so we can go to the shop bet, huh? If you want anything when we go, I'll give you the money. Or no, I'll just pay for you. But that adds to your debt. What? How about you give me? How about I'll just pay for you? We go to the shop at, and I'll give my money because we go past my house. And when I get my money, we're going to we're finna go to shop back and I'll pay for whatever you want to pay, and then that adds to your debt. Bro. We're not going all the way to your house, bro. Cause my house, once we get there, I'll probably just go to my house and we can go straight to the shop back. And I'll get you money. Or I'll if you want anything from the shop bet. Bro. You do not need to pay me all right away, bro. Oh, I was supposed to go fast down this strip, bro. I'm gonna go in between these. Bro, I'm gonna go in between these. Hello? No response. See how much clearance I get on this curb. That was not that much. Alright, we're going. Oh, what the heck just stung me in the eye? Wow. 5 miles per hour, guys. Let's slow this. So fast and then slow. $78, $780. Going 2 miles per hour. Gotta go faster than that. Wait, we gotta wait until the rain's over. Isaiah left home. It just said Isaiah left home. His house is all the way over. And he's right here. This is our replacement for fast. No wind. We're gonna make some wind. That's how fast I can get. No hands. 6, 7. God. Haven't had no hands this whole time. I've had no hands this whole time. So going with on. I'm going back to it. It's only been 16 minutes. But I haven't been pedaling this whole time. I haven't been pedaling since that pole back there. I'm gonna stop at my house and get like a 20. What? Yeah, hurry, bro. I ain't sitting at my house for too long. And he's falling. Who set y'all down? Ain't gonna let y'all see his face. Alright, guys. $5. $5 I'll meet him up there. I'll meet him. This video wasn't supposed to be this long, but it is now. 16-minute video. 18-minute video. I just got my phone zip tied to my freaking helmet. $5. This probably seems so cringe, bro. Told him to hurry, so I hope he does. That's where we crashed, bro. I did not feel good that crash. It didn't hurt. My body don't hurt anymore. Maybe it's just because of adrenaline. I'm tired of fucking riding my bike. I might just walk. I will walk my bike. A little bit of a break. told him I'm saying 20. I got 5. Because I didn't know you needed more than 20. Let's buy a bag. I don't even know, bro. He might give me $9, so. What you got? How much money you got? I got 5. Need my 999. What? Bruh. She's gonna pay it off later. Alright, so that would make 6. No, I'm saying, are you just gonna pay off the 9 later? You give me the 4-1. Hi. $4, and then after you give me that, you'll still owe me. Yeah. You just said you would give me 4 ones.
Yeah, that makes you the 9.
Am I dumb? You said 4. My money. This was from last night, actually. This is what we had left over.
Do you have a $1 bill?
I have 20 and, well, my mom still owes me like $100-something. No, I never had a $1 bill. Well, if you give me a 10, then I'll just give you. We'll just figure this out later. We're standing in the freaking road, standing basically in the road. Oh, I wasn't in the road, but you were standing basically in the road, trying to discuss money. Should we take this way? Well, no hand turn. Should we take the cut or wanna go? You wanna go through a stoplight? But should we show the viewers the stoplight, or they know what a stoplight is? I'm dumb fuck. Should we go through the area we're supposed to? Like, should we go forward or we should turn there? I'm sore. Should we go forwards? What do you want to do? Which way do you want to go? Wait, get out the road. I mean, we're already in line for the shortcut. Actually, I don't even know, bro. Fastest way is this way. This is why crap's trying to do a wheelie. Got some bad memories from that. Almost twisted my leg. Trying to do a nice bike.